Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. You are seeing fabric painting. I'm doing a designer saree and you can see this is a painting on dance theme. First I have done the lining work with burnt sienna. Those interested in learning painting can join my online offline classes. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oragata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. And my details are in this video and below this video in description. For more information, do click the link of my website in the description below. Take good combination of colors which you like. First I'm doing the outline of the design and then I'll do the color and shading. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art techniques. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.